Hey guys, this is quick oil and brake. Today I'll show you how to replace a battery. I'm not going to replace a battery today, but I'll show you where is the battery located and the procedure how to replace. I'll show you in this video. And this is Chevy Equinox 2014, and if you see this one, this cover you have to slide back and remove. You're gonna put this one at the side, and also there's I already unhooked. There's two clips. You have to press on this side to release this one, and then you have to slide on that side and put on this side. Then there's this cover holding a 10 millimeter bolt. You have to remove this one. I already lose this one because I'm holding in one hand my camera. So I'm gonna put this one over here. Then also you have to slide there's you see both sides. These metal clips goes right over here. Then there's a battery bracket. These are the terminal, positive, negative, and normally there's a 110 millimeter bolt over here. I already removed, so you have to the side, and then one bolt 10 millimeter you have to remove, and the other one over here, then you have to remove this. First you have to lose this side and this side, then you have to remove the battery and install the new one, and I put it back same way in a reverse order, and you are good to go. Then you can put this one back the same until you line the hole with the 10 millimeter bolt over here. Okay, that's it. And then you have to align. Okay, this is it, and then push down and this gets secured. Then the same way there's another one. You slide and pull this back it over here. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps to replace your car battery, and don't forget to like my video And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to see my future videos, and don't forget to also hit on a bell icon to get a notification. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.